My name is Kashif Bashir and I'm studying in UT Lahore. And today I got book 100 things successful people do. Uh, Going through author name is Nigel Kamalland.
You are not in connection with the audience. आपने या तो नीचे देख रहे हैं या बुक को देख रहे हैं या हाथ जेब में डाला उसको देख रहे हैं. So connect yourself with the audience. Connection बनाए ना. देखिए आपको कौन कौन देख रहा है, वो बेचारा इतनी देर से आपको देख रहा है, आप तो ये भी नहीं कर रहा. तो just connect yourself with the audience. ठीक है, चलिए carry on.
The author name is Nigel Kamalland and he is an award-winning global coach who helps the teams and leads the people to enhance their success and their lives and career. And going through this book. This book is a guide to enhance our life out.
Okay, अब मेरी टाइम खत्म हो गया, मैंने शुरू भी नहीं किया. So the first 5-second principle: start strong, right? Yeah, just influence the audience in the first 5 seconds. Thank you. I can check your mobile message. आया क्या हुआ?